In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split an issue or ticket in Jira. This is a useful technique that allows you to divide a larger issue into smaller, more manageable pieces, making it easier to delegate tasks and track progress. Let's walk through the process step by step. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the project that contains the issue you're looking to split. This step is crucial because it ensures you're working within the right context and can see all pertinent information related to the tasks at hand. Once you've accessed your project, take a look at the top navigation panel. Here you'll find the backlog option, which you'll need to click on. The backlog is a key feature in Jira that displays a list of all outstanding issues, so it's where you'll locate the issue you want to split. Now, as you scan through your backlog, find the specific issue that you need to break down. Splitting is especially helpful when an issue proves too complex or broad to be effectively tackled as a single entity. So identifying the right candidate for splitting is important. Once you've pinpointed the issue, it's time to right-click on it. This will present you with a menu of options. From this menu, select Split Issue. It's a straightforward action, but one that opens up opportunities for more detailed task management. By selecting Split Issue, Jira will automatically split the issue into two separate issues. This division doesn't just duplicate the task, rather it creates two distinct issues that can be managed and tracked independently, which is incredibly useful for allocating resources and scheduling. Now that you have two issues, the next step is to name them suitably. Providing clear and concise names will help ensure that team members understand what each issue entails, which in turn facilitates better communication and execution. If you find that you need to further subdivide the issue, you have the option to click on Add Another. This is particularly handy if the original issue encompasses multiple distinct tasks or phases that need individual attention. Finally, once you have completed naming and organizing your issues, you'll want to finalize the process. To do this, simply click on Split. This action solidifies the changes and splits the original issue according to your specifications. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your workload in Jira, breaking down large tasks into smaller, more manageable components. This not only enhances productivity, but also ensures that each piece of work receives the attention it deserves. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that it empowers you to leverage Jira's capabilities to their fullest potential. Thank you for joining me today, and happy project managing.